Oo. Yung ito lang yung masasabi kong thing na parang tandaan mo.
Hmm.
It's very weird to say this kasi I'm younger than you by a lot, for your
Yeah.
information.
By a lot.
By a lot, yes, by a lot. I
Okay,
could
okay,
I,
buddy.
I, I consider 3 months to be a lot. Uh,
Okay, buddy.
one of my biggest regrets sa college is since we've mentioned in traveling from UST here to Fairview is in its way a hassle.
Mm-hmm.
So parang every time na matapos ang classes, I'd go back home immediately
Oh,
while others would go
okay.
out for dinner muna, ganun. It's not really necessarily mess around and hang out, ganun. It's just dinner,
Mm-hmm.
just spend time with people, ganun. In a way, naging ano siya sa akin, naging team building thing siya kasi
Mm-hmm.
I realized na those people who hung out a lot together nung nung early years, starting nung nag face to face kami, are the people who are very close with each other na ngayon na mag-graduate. And here I am now, desperately savoring yung mga last days ng college, taking every
Mm-hmm.
chance I can to stay na even though after the last class, I don't care. I'm not eating dinner at home na. I'll just make palipas traffic and I get to spend time na with with my blockmates and I wanna get to that point na rin na as how I thought about you guys then yung senior highs. Hindi na, you're no longer my classmate, diba? Where we started out as classmates and
Yeah.
you all became my friends na. And that happened because we spent a lot of time after school.
Mm.
I didn't get to
Kasi
do that much. Oo.
we had that, meron tayong opportunity to do that.
Mm,
Malapit lang tayo sa school, hindi sobrang hectic
mm,
yung schedule natin. And ang daming group works. Sobrang dami nating group work. So, we were basically also forced to spend time with each other after school.
oh. So, I'm glad rin na I'm able to, I'm still considered somewhat parang close by my blockmates. Maybe I'm not the go-to guy, pero at least I can say then na they've become my friends and I can say na they're no longer my blockmates. I can say na I'll still talk to them even though I'm no longer in UST. And
Right.
ano naman, syempre, yun lang yung gusto ko rin na maging ano mo. I know you wanna find people na focused mag-study. But I also hope you can find people na, alam mo yun, make your life happier din. Kasi iba yung study buddy sa kaibigan. If
Yes.
you're gonna be with someone na all business lang, once there's no more business, there's no more relationship between you and that person. You
Oo.
wanna ano rin, you wanna build a bond with someone outside of the academic
Akad.
setting. It's not a requirement, 'di ba? Pero it's something na I didn't really put a lot of focus towards during college and now I'm trying my best to to catch up
Catch up.
dahil doon. Oh. Yun lang naman yun. And syempre, study hard kasi ako. I mean, I'm gonna drop the occasional F-bomb. Pero kasi if you fuck around and find out sa college, you will find out.
Well,
Like, akala ko, oh, there's no way I'm gonna fail this subject. No, I never failed the subject. Eh, it, it just don't. Okay, take it from me. I know you're not like me, pero sometimes you don't have to be me to experience what I did. Kasi iba rin magiging prof mo, iba rin yung magiging grading system nyo, iba rin yung magiging politics ng professors nyo. So,
actually, alam mo,
oh,
isa ito sa mga iniisip ko. Hindi naman siya masyadong worry, more as a thought, di ba?
oh,
Ako kasi, even though college student ako,
mm,
I think ano na ako eh. I have more confidence in myself.
Mm-hmm.
Para I don't necessarily think of myself as a kid.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know how I'm going to adapt sa isang professor who's going to give me a hard time. You know what I mean?
Ah.
We've all had teachers like that, professors like that na
Uh,
medyo mataas yung ano, yung tingin sa sarili. It does happen. And in the past, syempre, I just tuck my tail between my legs and yes sir, okay ma'am. You know what I mean? Sana hindi ako sana ganoon pa rin ako kasi I should not increase my pride porket matanda ako
oo naman.
or mas matanda sa freshman na student.
Oo naman.
I hope na I'm able to control na hindi ko sila, you know what I mean, sagutin.
Ah.
Hindi ko dapat gawin 'yun. Hindi puwede. Lalo na kasi they have the power, 'di ba? They have the power to fail me. Pero
Yes.
syempre doesn't give them the right to disrespect anyone. I'm not gonna let myself be disrespected. If a teacher disrespects me, I'm going to respectfully disagree with them.
Oh, tama naman. That's the best way to go about things, especially dahil ayun, you don't wanna ano rin, you don't wanna at the end of the day, you're a student, they're the professors. Yes, they may abuse their power, pero you're in no place then to
Respect.
to disrespect. Kahit naman like we're gonna talk about this in later topics, pero it's gonna be my case then in the corporate setting. Mas malala kasi ka-age ko
Oo.
mga tao pero different positions, di ba? Some may be more seasoned than me even though I'm younger. Ay, even though they're younger. So, it's gonna cause parang internal conflicts din sa parang inner self ko. Ano, parang how do I deal with this, di ba? How do I respectfully follow the orders of a child? Parang gano'n.
Right.
Di ba? Gano'n. Just mo.
Gets
Pero
it.
yan, good luck sa college mo, of course. You'll always have me to talk
Good
to
luck sa
you about.
corporate life.
Oh, hell no. Let's not talk about that. Pero yan, I hope you do
Excuse me, can I please speak to Mr. Elric, the financial Oh, is he taking his 30-minute lunch break? Okay, okay, thank you. I will call back later.
Ayun. Pero, yan, best of luck to you. College is fun.
Yeah.
Diba? In general, college is fun. Just make the most out of it. Okay? Yun lang yun.
Yes, sir.